Remote sensing versus GIS. Unlocking Earth's secrets. Ever wonder how we really see the Earth from miles above? Let's dive into the world of remote sensing and GIS. Remote sensing is like a high-tech camera. It snaps images of Earth's surface using satellites or drones. It captures all kinds of info, vegetation, water bodies, or even temperature patterns. Now GIS, Geographic Information System, steps in as the brain, organizing and analyzing this data. It stores, manages, and maps data to reveal trends, like land use changes or areas prone to flooding. Think of remote sensing as the camera taking pictures, and GIS as the software that turns those pictures into useful insights. One collects the raw data from afar, the other decodes it so you can make smarter decisions about our planet. Curious to learn more or dive into the tech that's reshaping our world? Hit that subscribe button and keep exploring with us.